Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I would like to show you how I post on Instagram business using Canva and how I also repurpose this post for another social media platform. Keep on watching. Okay guys, so I know a lot of us use Canva for so many things, and I for one, Canva is like my all, right? Guys, I love Canva. But anyway, this video is not sponsored by Canva. I'm just sharing how I use Canva for my business. Simple. Okay? So let us just jump right into the tutorial. But first, before we do that, please subscribe to my channel. Please. Okay? So let us jump into the tutorial. Okay, so you open canva.com and you click on content calendar over here, and after that you will see the layout of what the content calendar look like, and look, they're actually telling you that now you can post on Canva Business using the content planner. Okay, so you have two options when posting using the content planner, right? You can create a design or you can use any design from your library. It's pretty straightforward. So you can create from scratch or use one from your library. Okay, so we will use one from the library. All right, so when you open a design from the library, this is what it will look like. It will take you directly to that design, and you can make adjustment from here. Something that will fit your needs or your business brand or whatever it is. Just play with it, make changes, and then you can go to schedule, right? The other way to schedule is by going back to Canva, and you can create a design from here. You can select the Instagram post from here as well, and let us use, for this example, since we are just using this, since I'm just showing you how to schedule, we'll just use a template from Canva, right? So just going to use a simple template. Okay, let's change it up a bit. So now you guys, this look really lovely and it's quick. Can you see how easy it is? And now I will go and schedule that using onto my Instagram business. So you go over to, you press the three buttons at the top and you select Instagram business because you'll be scheduling onto a business page, and then you select the business account that you'll be scheduling on, and you type something lovely. And then you publish your posts. You can also click on the little calendar inside and you can schedule this out. So I would like for this to go out today. So what I will do is just change the time. I'll leave it at 1:08 p.m., which is fine. And then you click on done, or you can change day, whichever, and then you click on done. Okay, so and then you click on schedule posts, and as you can see here, the summary, your post is scheduled for Monday, June 7th at 1:08 p.m. So you schedule posts. And there you have it. Your post has been scheduled. So you go click on Content Planner to. So as you can see at the top here, your post is scheduled, and also shows the account it is scheduled to, and it shows what you have written up as well. If you want, you can make changes right here to reschedule just by clicking on you can edit the post just by clicking on the three dots. You can edit, you can make a copy and resize, delete posts, etc. And when you come over to the main content planner, Canva, you will see a post right here. It's so easy, and just by hovering over with your mouse, you can see the time it is scheduled for today, and the date is here, and just hover over and you will see the time. This is such a time saver. Okay guys, since I am a big fan of not wasting time and being extremely productive, I also like to resize my work so I can use it for some other social media platform. Okay, so in this case, what I will do is just open the posts I just scheduled there, and I will make a copy and resize. All right, I will not go into edit design because with Canva that will change the whole scheduling and I have to reschedule, so that would not be the right choice for me. So I'll just make a copy and resize, and I will resize to Pinterest. Right, and you see how easy it was for me to do that. So all I will have to do is just adjust the size of my picture, and just make little minor adjustments, and hey, I've got one pin done. So I love to repurpose, and yeah, it's so easy. It was so easy, and now I can actually go and schedule this in Pinterest. I hope this tutorial has been extremely helpful to you, and of course, if you want more information, please feel free to ask me in the questions in the comments below. Feel free, I will definitely respond to every question. And if you would like to know how I go about repurposing my content for different social media platforms, please let me know and I can create a video on that as well. Love you guys. Bye-bye.